How to turn off motion sensors on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off motion sensors on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those three points up there and click on settings. Now scroll down and click on site settings and click on motion sensors, and now turn off this option. And now you block sites from accessing motion sensor. If you turn on this option, you're gonna allow all the sites to use to access motion sensors. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.